Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles soft, easy method. Start by making a slightly looser batter and let it rest to hydrate the flour for better structure. Whip egg whites separately and fold them in slowly to trap air without deflating the batter. Use melted butter and a small amount of sugar to create a tender crumb and appealing golden color in each waffle. Let the batter rest so the flour fully absorbs liquid and gluten relaxes for softer waffles. Gently combine wet and dry ingredients and stop mixing as soon as visible streaks disappear to avoid chewiness. Warm milk helps dissolve sugars and encourages even texture, while a short rest improves crisp outside and soft inside balance. These simple timing and mixing tweaks make a noticeable difference in every waffle you cook. Preheat your waffle iron so batter cooks evenly and develops a light crust without overbaking. Watch for steam to slow rather than relying on a timer, since steam reduction signals doneness and softer interiors. Remove waffles to a cooling rack instead of stacking them to avoid trapped steam making bottoms soggy. These small habits during cooking and finishing preserve a tender crumb while still giving a pleasant, lightly crisp exterior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.